welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this surface or wrench indicator of a Volkswagen Polo. This one comes from 2002. It's built from 2001 till 2006, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this indicator. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the commentary if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. First of all, turn the ignition off. Then we're gonna press this button over here. Press and hold it while you turn the ignition on. So press it, hold it, ignition turned on. You'll see that the wrench indicator doesn't blink anymore. The trick is to turn this button over here to the right and do the check, and you'll see that it's gone now. So once again, ignition off, press and hold, press, hold, ignition on, turn to the right. Didn't do it for the second time because it was resetted already. So that's how you reset this Volkswagen Polo. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.